Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So just showed you guys a glimpse of the work happening on the extension of the Highway 2000 from Pen to Williamsfield. So they're in the, how would you call it, in the bush, or they're in the woodlands working right now. We're able to see a glimpse, but it's very far out. But that's where they're working. It was over to the right down that side, and then this is where they crossed the public space. Quite evidently I wouldn't be able to go way over that side to show you better footage, but I was able to zoom in a bit for you guys. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this, more infrastructure development, more road development content. Let's click that subscribe button, turn it gray. Remember to like the video as well. Remember to leave a comment and share. So we are on Foga Road in Pen, and this is where they're crossing the main road in terms of what you can actually see from the expansion of the final leg of the highway from Pen to Williamsfield. So that's what we're covering today. I did a previous video on this before. I'll put that link in the description and also in the comments as well, so that you guys can see. So this is another update. What I'll try to do as well is to go down by Four Pass area. I think they're also crossing the main road down there, so at least I get to show you guys from a different angle. Again, a drone would have shown some better shots in terms of, you know, back in the woodland that they're working from. So we're definitely working towards a drone on the channel. So all your donation, all your contribution will definitely help in that regards. So this is an active construction site, and again we're on Foga Road. This road leads to Yorktown, Milk River, Vernonfield. So that's where we are, and the construction is on the way, full speed ahead, which is the continuation of the highway from Pen into Williamsfield, Manchester. Leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this project. Let me know what you think about the pace of the work. But I think this is well needed. Once they're finished, I can leave Kingston and reach Mandeville probably in an hour. So very much needed. The cuts pass and the porous main road is not the best to travel on, especially for the trucks and trailers. It's very narrow, so I'm sure this will help a lot. What I'll do as well, I don't think I've ever done a video through Scott's Pass, through porous, so I think I'll cover that route for you guys so you can see the road condition there. So I'm sure when this highway is finished, it will definitely help out. Alright, so let's go down to the four pass side to see this construction from a different angle. Alright guys, so we are now on Dembe Drive. So this is another area where the highway will be crossing the roadway. Not a lot to see as usual. A few trucks passing here and there. So right here leads back to around where we were before. So they do have flag personnel. Alright, so these truck passed the road that we were on before. That's Foga Road. So this is the path of the highway. Alright guys, so remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share as well. So this is the Maypen to Williamsfield Highway currently under construction. So they're transporting soil, I guess, to build the first layer. First layer for the roadway. Alright, so there's a house right here. I guess they'll eventually have to put up like a sound barrier, being that they're right beside the highway. Alright guys, see you on another video, and thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and thanks for subscribing.